Hi, this is Tim. I'm going to provide you a walkthrough demo of our application and how we plan on using LinkedIn APIs to utilize some of the data. Through this, I'll identify the 3 use cases that we have and which data we will look to obtain from the various APIs. So I'm logging in agency at redhopepro.com. I put in my password and I click login. I will provide you the credentials in a document in case you want to log in as well. Once I log in, I'm looking at a dashboard, but I'm going to look for various customers I'm going to work on. I'm going to choose a fictitious customer, my skincare. And I'm looking at a dashboard that provides me website information of traffic engagement conversions and so forth. And that's all coming from website and some of the Google information. What we're specifically looking to do, there are 3 main use cases. One is obtaining page insights, 2 is posting content, and 3 is obtaining post insights. Those are really the 3 that we're looking at, pretty straightforward. So with that, what we're looking to do is be able to log in using OPENID, grab the page insights and post that here. The way that would work is it looks pretty much like this. I log in, I click connect to LinkedIn, and what that essentially allows me to do is log into my LinkedIn profile and actually let me sign out here because it looks like it just let me pause this. There we are. Okay. So now it brings up the credentials for LinkedIn. I click sign in, and with that, it brings me back to the application. So in a production state, we use the OPENID to log in, and then we would want to use the Community Manager API to obtain the page insights. We've done that in test, but those don't work together in test. So the OPENID is what allows me to log in. And then again, we would use the Community Manager to pull those insights, which we've been able to do in dev only. So with that, we would pull the page insights and that would show up here. We'd be able to see trends just like I can here by clicking and looking at trends for the different channels that I'm looking at. So that is use case 1, obtaining page insights. We don't store any of the information other than the metric date, and the metrics data themselves. We don't store emails, we don't store passwords, we don't store any credential information or anything about that user. That's all pulled through the OPENID API, and we utilize that to authenticate. Now, the second use case is using what we call our content posting. We have a part of our application allows users to create various content that can be anything from LinkedIn to posting content to their own website. So here, what we would do is we would be looking to utilize the Community Manager API. I would be able to take my content and literally just click on post. Right now, what that would do is post to my page. Right now, it's going to post to my own profile page. So I would probably not want that because that's my personal page. But in a normal situation, that would post. Once it has post, it indicates a P that it actually has posted, and then the user would eventually be able to get engagement metrics, insights, and so forth, number of impressions, likes, and so forth. That's the other data we plan on pulling in. So that's the second use case, is posting content. And then the third use case would be actually obtaining post insights and reviewing engagement scores. So that would be something that we would also look to do. That would be also coming from the Community Manager API. So pretty straightforward, only 2 APIs that we're looking to work with, the OPENID the community manager, which allows to get page insights, post content, and get post insights. And that's pretty much it. As I said, we don't store any other information. Once the user does post, hopefully we will get those insights from the community manager and be able to post that information right here. So again, the user would be able to see how they're doing with their various LinkedIn, which content is working well, which is not, and they can go back and look at that. And if this happens to be good content that's working really well and getting a high score, they can literally click on that, copy that content, move it to another date, and post that again, or make a slight modification and post that. So those are our 3 use cases: obtaining page insights, posting content, and obtaining post insights. I put all this in a document answering the questions, and that should pretty much do it. Thank you.